They're all in line. They're off in the distaff. Holiday Disguise and Sounds Delicious. The stablemates are out well. Divine Miss Gray is up there too, and now she takes second, and Holiday Disguise is taken back. Torrent is now taken third on the inside, 2 lengths off the lead. And then Pico Uno, followed by Any Day Is My Day, and Burned is last. Up the backstretch they go. Sounds Delicious and Junior Alvarado out there a length and a half as Torrent battles for second with Divine Miss Gray. 22.41, and now Divine Miss Gray comes after. Sounds Delicious on the lead. Torrent's a length and a half behind them. And then it's Holiday Disguise, Pico Uno, fifth, racing for the far turn. Burned and Any Day Is My Day. It is Sounds Delicious and Divine Miss Gray draws even. The two of them stride for stride with Holiday Disguise third through a 44.99 half mile. Torrent is in the mix, fourth on the inside and racing right behind the leaders while saving ground, and they're into the stretch, and it Sounds Delicious. Running room for Torrent, who comes up the fence. On the far outside, it's Holiday Disguise, and Divine Miss Gray is there too. Furlong to go. Sounds Delicious. Torrent coming up the rail. Holiday Disguise on the outside. Then it's Divine Miss Gray. Sounds Delicious. Holiday Disguise. Torrent, Divine Miss Gray. Here's Holiday Disguise to get up and win the distaff. And then a photo among Sounds Delicious, Divine Miss Gray, and Torrent.